All right, today we're going to bring an iPhone 16 Pro. If you guys can see, it has the mag charge in the back already. All right, now these have magnetic in the bottom, they're easy to charge. Now itself, it has the rubber seal in the bottom in the corners, every so in case you drop it, has extra protected. It's kind of like a dark see-through color. If you guys can see that, you can actually through to see it. Now, I like the actual system itself. It has access to a button. It looks more like a military side view of the actual phone. I like the details on it. Beautiful design, access to all the buttons. And the way it works, pretty much just set your phone to the bottom, push it to the top. You have that extra protected layer for your seal. You can still tell what color of phone you have, which is it looks like a little gray, but it's white, the phone. You have access to the actual camera itself, access to the extra button here that you could access it. And then, of course, you have access to the charging station, your speaker, your mic, the three buttons on the side. Now, like I said, it's a mag charge. And if you guys have one of these, you could charge your phone through the actual case, and it works directly to it. And it just completely ties down to it. And they make so many accessories with it. Makes a great combination with your phone. It starts charging immediately. If you guys can see that. So you don't have to worry about anything because of dropping it. Look at this, dropping it, it won't fall because it's actually holding on very well. And you can always disconnect it and charge other phones with the same thing. So I like that the cover is made ready for it, easy to use, it passes through. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.